We want this platform to be a place where people connect, collaborate, and co-create. The visuals have to be very nice because these people are the most aesthetic people that are going to be on the platform. We have a lot of professionals out there who are waiting to be seen, to be heard, and who wants to get hired. We want this to be a mindful media where only meaningful collaborations could happen. In the field of art, connections is very important alongside creativity. We want this to be a platform that connects all the Indian creative professionals. Though you're a beginner, intermediate, professional, or super pro, everybody needs right opportunities. Collabo should help them find jobs, opportunities, and also collaborate with other creative professionals. And this should work with verified creative professionals all across the country. It has to be conscious, it has to be creative, they have to be celebrated, it has to be collabo for all of this.